Let's imagine that you are a startup and you have a team of sales representatives ready to reach out to prospective clients at a moment's notice. Catching leads once they show some sign of interest is a key point of your strategy to help educate and communicate your company's offers. Because of this, you've decided to implement tools to help you automate the lead assignments to your sales reps. Your plan is simple. You've identified key points on your website that help to gauge a prospective lead's interest. After conducting a general mailing to your list, you check if anyone has clicked a link that points to one of your key pages. Particular pages of your site come only after a site visitor leaves their email address to access that exclusive area. Visits to these key pages indicate that the visitor has a keen interest in the content available there. Once someone is registered as having visited this page, you tag them as a lead. Those who do not visit the URL are tagged as unqualified, and you move them to a retargeting campaign. Those subscribers tagged as leads will then be sent an engagement email referring to the content they were presented with on the page they visited and also offering additional information. You'll then check if they clicked the link you included in the message for them to learn more. Those that didn't open the message or click the link, you'll wait a couple of days to let them air out, and then send them a retargeting message to help refocus their attention. And back to those key subscribers that did click the Learn More link. You can send them a follow-up message with the promised content and a bonus surprise of 15% off the first 2 months of service with you if they signed up today. Finally, those who open that message will get a final tag of a verified lead and move into a sales representative campaign in your account that automatically sends subscription notifications to your sales representatives, who may then contact that lead immediately to help nurture the offer and close the sale.